It's time for Altenew Flower of the Month. Post your projects on Instagram with the hashtag Altenew Flower of the Month for your chance to win one of 3 $30 gift certificates to the Altenew store. The more projects you create, the more chances you have to win. This month we are featuring daisies, the April birth flower, which belongs to the largest families of plants in the world. Daisies are found everywhere on Earth except Antarctica, and they symbolize innocence, loyalty, purity, simplicity, and patience. Don't forget to check out our featured Altenew products for this challenge. Our design team members have created tons of beautiful projects on our blogs and YouTube channel that you can check out for inspiration. We also have some suggested theme challenges for you to try with Altenew Flower of the Month. We can't wait to see the beautiful paper crafting projects you create using this breathtaking flower. Are you ready to get started? Ready, set, craft.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!